Allez!
In the blizzard of 77, the cars were just lost on the snow. And then later, stripping 7-Eleven, the shelf was stretching out of control. On the sleigh ride, the more it shakes, the more I have to let go. Now the signals still getting all mixed up. We're always doing damage control. But in the middle of the night, I worry it's very